Hey, what's up guys, it's Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So how's your day going guys? Today in this video we're gonna check out a brand new power bank from Tagg. This is a 20,000 mAh power bank called the Tagg Turbo. It's a brand new model which they've launched recently, and today in this video we're gonna unbox it and check out all of its features. So let's get started. The Tagg Turbo comes in this sort of box packing. We've got a picture of the product on the front, and the box actually looks pretty big for a power bank. It's a high capacity jumbo power bank with dual USB outputs. Alright, let's see what's written on the box. It has dual USB outputs, offers surge protection, it's also temperature resistant, offers protection from overcharge as well as over discharge, and has a compact design with a metallic body. So those were some of its features. And at the back side we've got the specs of this product. The power bank has a battery capacity of 20,000 mAh, has a max rated input of DC 5V 2A and a max rated output of 5V at 4.8A. Also this power bank comes in two colors. We've got the grey color model. So those are all the details of the product. Now let's get started with the unboxing. There you go. By the way, I wanna thank Tagg for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's open it and see what do we have on the inside. So here it is guys, the power bank comes nicely packed on this tray. And along with that you also get some accessories. Let me show you. We've got some paperwork here. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. And in this tiny box you get a micro USB to USB cable. That's a nice thing. The company is also providing a free USB cable with the power bank. So that's it guys, these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me finally show you the product. The power bank comes nicely packed like this. Let me take it out. So here it is guys, Tagg's brand new Turbo 20,000 mAh power bank. And whoa, I have to say this thing looks jumbo in size and feels pretty much the same weight as any other 20,000 mAh power bank. Easily weighs around 370 grams. From my first impressions I can definitely tell the build quality looks really premium. It has a nice gunmetal color with a metallic finish all over the body and has a beautiful acrylic strip with a carbon fiber like pattern on it. Over here we've got some LED indicators which show the battery life, there's a power button beside that and a Tagg logo over here. That's it, there's nothing else on the other side. And the special thing about the logo is it's backlit illuminated. Yes, I'll show you that in a moment. So going to the bottom side, we've got some details regarding the product. It's got a capacity of 20,000 mAh at 3.7 volts, has dual USB outputs and one input port which are present on the other side. Let me give you guys a closer look. So as you can see, we've got two USB outputs and each of them can give a max output of 5V at 2.4A. And at the center there's a micro USB in port for charging the power bank. That was our complete look at the design and the build quality. By pressing this power button you can turn on the power bank. And as soon as you do that, both the Tagg logo as well as the battery level indicators light up and show you the remaining battery capacity on the power bank. I really like this backlit illuminated logo, looks really cool on the device. Alright guys, let me just connect my phone to the power bank and show you. So as I've told earlier, the Tagg's Turbo is a 20,000 mAh power bank that can give a max output of 5V at 2.4A on each of the USB ports. Talking about the cells present on the inside, it's got 6 high capacity 3350 mAh lithium ion batteries that ensure optimum charging output and can charge any device you throw at it. We all know that the actual output capacity of power banks vary from what the manufacturers specify. Usually most of the 20,000 mAh power banks have an actual output capacity of only around 13 to 14,000 mAh at 5V. Now guys, there's a reason behind that. I'll explain you about power bank capacities in detail and how they work in a special video later. For now, let's just come back to the topic. The Tagg's Turbo power bank was doing a pretty good job at charging my phones. It was quickly charging most of my devices. My Vivo V15 Pro has a 3700 mAh battery and it took around 2 hours 50 minutes to fully charge my phone from 0 to 100. So roughly that means this power bank can charge a phone with 3000 mAh battery in around 2 to 2.5 hours. And based on my usage, this Turbo power bank could charge my Vivo V15 Pro fully up to 3.5 times. So that means using this power bank you can charge a device with 3000 mAh battery nearly up to 4.5 times. That is awesome, right? One more feature I really liked about it is it's got dual USB outs, so you can charge up to 2 devices at the same time at 5V 2.4A each. And charging this 20,000 mAh power bank using any standard 5V 2A charger from 0 to 100 took around 9 to 10 hours. Also, I forgot to mention, this power bank is equipped with Tagg's multi-protect safety measures. It offers surge protection, has high temperature resistance, it's very tough, has an impact resistant body and also offers protection from overcharge as well as over discharge. That was my video on Tagg's new Turbo 20,000 mAh power bank. It's a good power bank with high capacity, has a solid build quality with dual USB outputs, feels quite comfortable in the hand and performs very well. The only thing I felt was the price is a bit high. It costs around 2,499 rupees. For that price, I felt they should have at least added support for Quick Charge 3.0 on at least one of the USB ports. Then it would have been awesome. Anyways, I'll leave a link to this product in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.